You ready to go? Say, let's go, Mr. Train. Should we sing songs while we wait? What song should we sing? Skin Rinky Dinky Dink? Okay, ready? Are you going to teach Mr. Giraffe? Skin Rinky Dinky Dink, skin Rinky Doo. I you. Skin Rinky Dinky Dink, skin Rinky Doo. I love you in the morning and in the afternoon. I love you in the evening and underneath the moon. Oh, skidamarinky dinky dink, skidamarinky doo. I love you too. Boop boop be doo. You're so sweet. It is the middle of July, 2017. You're gonna lay down? Go ahead. Cecilia and Colton are at zoo school, so Charlotte gets to go through the zoo with Mommy all by herself. What do we get? Did we get a Mr. Giraffe? Who's on your shirt? Who's on your shirt? That's the carousel, not the train. Who's on your shirt?
I'm ready.
You're ready? That's the bell for the carousel, honey, not for the train. When the train's ready, he'll go toot toot. Okay? Do you have a Mr. Giraffe on your shirt too? Yeah. What's all over your hand?
Marker.
Marker? How did that happen?
No.
You don't know? All right, Mama loves you. Thanks for kisses.